Hello, all you wonderful people. Happy Monday. Can you believe it's Monday already? Again. Just a quick update to let you guys know what's going on. I just know that I needed to get a video out there quickly. Last week, after I made my last video, literally 8 hours after I posted that video, I was horribly sick. I started to throw up. I had every kind of possible thing. The throwing up, the diarrhea, everything. It was horrible. I am doing much, much better, thank goodness. Getting there. Almost completely back, to par again. So, on Friday was Halloween. Great. Wonderful. Lovely. And, had a chat with a friend of mine, and we were talking about, in jest again, what I would do, of course, if I had dressed up that day. And I think, I had shared about my disco ball idea, how fun that would be. And she said, well, Tori, I just think I think you would have done good as a piñata. I'm like, what you thinking? I said, it's one thing to be dressed up, paper mache, glue, in a harness, no big deal. But I don't like the idea of getting hit with a big stick. That's just not fun to me. I mean, it's not like I'm going to crack open and goodies are going to come out. So, I just didn't like the idea of getting hit very much. But, to each their own, So, yeah, Halloween. What a day, right? Anyway, on top of it being Halloween, it was also my 2-year anniversary on YouTube. I joined 2 years ago on October 31st. So I had planned on, doing a really neat video and a montage and all these little things. And, yeah, I didn't get it done. I really try to be good about big things like that. But unfortunately, I'm not always good about getting them out as timely as I'd like. Anyway, so I'm working on that. But I guarantee you guys, I promise you before my next anniversary, I'll have one out. Hopefully within a week, I promise. Within a few days, I'm going to have a video, guys. I'm going to have my anniversary montage video out for you. So I promise that. So, anyway, just a quick update. I spent the whole week trying to get better. And dealing with some things now here. I haven't been able to drive, obviously, in a while. And my landlord is now threatening to tow my car away. So I'm having to deal with that. I just paid $70 to have my car towed from my other house here. Now I'm going to have it towed to another friend's house because they're giving me a really hard time. These are people that are not nice. I mean, wow. Anyway, it's voting. Today is voting day for many. I hope y'all have voted. And I am just doing my best, trying to get better. Having a lot to do around the house, much to do around here. Paperwork. It's raining, raining hard out there right now. And just going with the flow. But I have missed you guys so much. One of the things also I failed to mention, my space bar has stopped working. So I have to use the underscore to comment or write back to you guys. Also, what I have to do is I will go into Works word processor, and I can write out a whole sentence and then use a spell check to put the spaces in between the words, which is tedious, but I'm doing that as well, and then I copy and paste. Anyway, guys, I just want to let you know that's what's been happening. Getting over everything, doing better, getting stronger, trying to dealing with my mother, dealing with family, dealing with my worker, dealing with my housing situations presently. And, yeah, so I have some stuff on my plate to deal with, but it's all good. So I love you guys bunches and oodles and yummies, and I love you. Take care.